Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd take you through a relaxing rainy day here in Berry Avenue. It's honestly the perfect weather for a cozy day inside, and I thought it'd be so fun to show you guys what I do when it's raining. Like, don't you just love when it's all gloomy outside? Perfect excuse to stay in, watch movies, or maybe even play some Roblox with friends. Just a totally chill, laid back day. Can't get better than this, right? All right, let's get started with my rainy day routine. And we're kicking things off with some self care. I've already washed my hands and face, so now it's time for skincare. I'm using this hyaluronic acid serum, and you guys, it's everything. It's so hydrating, and my skin just drinks it up. I love that it gives me this natural glow. So refreshing. It's honestly become an essential in my everyday routine. Then I'm going in with my moisturizer. Today I'm using a thicker, richer cream because the air on rainy days can get a little dry, and I want to lock in all that hydration. If you haven't tried it, this one's like a blanket for your face. It's so nourishing, and it just feels like I'm pampering myself. A rainy day is the perfect excuse to give your skin that extra TLC. Oh, and of course, sunscreen. You queens know we can't skip sunscreen, even if it's cloudy or rainy outside. We've got to protect our skin, always. I just apply a light layer on top,